The following text is taken from an article from the national newspaper, from the 14th of July, 2025, written by Abbi Garton-Crosbie and entitled, Here's How a Wealth Tax on Scotland's Luxury Properties Could Work.
Scotland could raise hundreds of millions of pounds more by introducing a wealth tax on properties, Commonweal's head of policy and research has said. Writing in the National, Craig DL said that the Scottish government's refusal to reform council tax for a decade is completely unacceptable when there is a simple solution. He argued that the current system is outdated and badly broken, and that as well as reforming how local authorities are funded, it would place most of the tax burden on those with more expensive homes. Currently, council tax bans are based on property values from April 1991, but house prices in some areas have since surged. The Scottish government recently said that there is no political consensus to undertake a revaluation of those bans. DL argues that instead of the current system, local authorities should tax properties on a percentage of the market value. The property tax would generate millions from estates and plush mansions across Scotland, as well as those who own more than one property. And, extending this property tax to include estates and land could work as an additional wealth tax. A rate of 0.63% when Commonweal produced a paper on the issue, would have been revenue neutral compared to council tax, DL said. This would mean a tax cut for 8 out of 10 households in Scotland, DL claimed, as the burden of paying the tax would be placed more fairly on those who lived in the most expensive houses.